Good morning, dear student. Today I am going to discuss the very important topic of measurement, that is cylinder. We will discuss all about cylinder. Uh, I will tell you the derivation of these formulas of cylinder. As in our daily life, we have lots of things that is look like in this shape. Likewise, water pipe or the cylinder used in a kitchen, that is look like somewhere this type, in which we have a rectangular or square face, and upper and lower side have circular face. That may be look like that. Here you can see and assume the concept of cylinder. So as I tell you, there is lower part and there is upper part. In a lower part there is a circle, and in a upper part there is a circle. So basically there is a circle, then that means there have a radius, this denoted by r, this radius denoted by r, and from one circle, from upper part to the lower part, there have some height, and that is denoted by h. So these are the formula of curved surface area of cylinder, and total surface area of cylinder, and volume of cylinder. Now we will discuss one by one. Curved surface area. As I told you earlier, curved surface, whenever we will discuss curved surface area, that means the area that can be touched by us easily. Likewise, in a cylinder, curved surface area will be only this. The curved surface area will be only this portion. The upper circle and the lower circle, the upper circle and the lower circle will be not included in curved surface, will be not included in curved surface area, because the pipe lower area and upper area is in a circular shape, not exactly covered by a circle. It is in a circular shape. That's why we will left over this part. We will only included this portion. So whenever we will calculate it, we have a height. Suppose we have a rectangular shape like that, in which this will be denoted by this will be denoted by h, and another part, this will be denoted by h, and another part will be the 2 pi r, because this is the circle, this is the perimeter of circle. So with the formula of rectangle, area of rectangle is length into breadth. Here breadth is length is h and breadth is 2 pi r. So with the help of this, we can calculate total surface area of cylinder. Curved surface area of a cylinder. Now whenever we will discuss total surface area of cylinder, then the both part will be included, means this part and the upper circle and the lower circle part will be included. So we have, in a total surface area, we have this portion, curved surface area 2 pi rh, plus lower part and the upper part included. So we have area of first circle and the area of second circle, area of first circle and the area of circle second circle. Then this will be the 2 pi rh plus 2 pi r square, and that will, and in this 2 pi r can be taken as common, and left over will be the h plus r. So this will be the total surface area of cylinder, and volume of cylinder is pi r square h. So that is all about cylinder. With the help of radius, height, or given values, you can put these values in this formula, and you can easily calculate total surface area, curved surface area, and volume of cylinder. That is all about cylinder. Thank you so much.